Hi, it's Todd from Todd Cutler here, and I have got the 11th to 14th century low status eating knife. And it's a lovely piece actually, but we're going to start with the sheath here, and we've got a winged scabbard on it. So that, or winged sheath. So that style started to come in with the Vikings, but then it remained current for quite a long time, especially with sort of like lower status stuff, because it's kind of like the old way of doing things. So that can be suspended there, and it hangs not vertically, but just at an angle like that. Very typical. You'll see that a lot in particularly manuscript pictures of the 12th and 13th century, and then going back more into the Viking period. And then we come to the knife itself. So this is based on a Thames find that was probably 14th century, but very difficult to stratify, so it could well be earlier as well. Quite a pointy blade on it. Again, quite typical of low status knives. More curve, more shape, more interest seem to be a higher status thing. So it's kind of like I'm making a tool that cuts things. You've got a simple wooden faceted handle here. Again, just very, very simple to make. So it doesn't involve a lathe or any machinery like that. It's just a plane, a saw, a little bit of firework, job's done. So what you end up with is a typical knife that would work well for the late Viking period, and it will work well if you're low status going through into the, well, end of the 14th century really. And there we have it. 11th to 14th century, low status, wood handled eating knife.